Hey, welcome back. This is episode 22 of the Salesforce Consumer Goods Cloud TPM Learning Series. Today, Trade Promotion Lifecycle in CG Cloud, step by step, how a promotion moves from draft to completed, and what happens at each stage. Let's get into it. Here's what we're covering today. Who creates promotions? The key account manager role then. Promotion templates. Why you never start from scratch then. The 6 stages of a promotion status life cycle then. Approval workflows. And fund validation then. What happens after a promotion goes active? Stay for the last one. It's the piece most tutorials miss. So who actually creates and manages promotions in CG Cloud? That's the key account manager, or KAM. The KAM owns the relationship with a specific retail account. Think of a large consumer goods company. Their KAM for Walmart is responsible for every promotion Walmart gets in a given year. The KAM works inside Salesforce using the account plan as their main workspace. The account plan gives a full picture, baseline volume, planned promotions, total budget committed, and how all of that compares to annual targets. It's their financial dashboard for the account. From the account plan, they create individual promotions, track performance, and make adjustments throughout the year. Here's something that trips people up when they're new to CG Cloud. When a KAM creates a promotion, they don't start with a blank form. They start from a promotion template. A promotion template is a pre-configured blueprint for a promotion. It defines which tactic types are allowed, which funds can be used, what KPIs are tracked, and whether the promotion is transfer relevant to retail execution. Why does this matter? Templates enforce consistency across the business. Every promotion for a given customer segment follows the same rules. Finance knows exactly what to expect, and it prevents KAMs from creating invalid promotions that don't fit budget rules. Let's walk through the 6 stages every promotion goes through. Stage 1. Draft. The KAM is still building the promotion. Nothing is committed yet. Stage 2. Planned. The promotion is fully defined and ready for review. Stage 3. In approval. Submitted. Going through the approval workflow. Finance and management need to sign off. Stage 4. Approved. All approvers have signed. The promotion is locked in. Stage 5. Active. The start date has been reached. The promotion is live in the market. Stage 6. Completed. The end date has passed. Now the settlement process begins. Retailer claims are matched and settled. After settlement, the promotion moves to closed, which finalizes all financials. The approval workflow in CG Cloud TPM isn't just a simple Salesforce approval process. There's fund validation happening first. When a KAM submits a promotion for approval, the system checks, is there enough budget in the linked fund to cover the planned spend? If not, the promotion can't be submitted. The requires funds validation rule on the claim template enforces this. Once budget is confirmed, the promotion goes to the approver, often the KAM's manager or a finance controller. They review planned spend, ROI, and volume targets. If they approve, status moves to approved. If they reject, it goes back to draft with comments. This flow uses Salesforce standard approval processes combined with CG Cloud workflow rules. Once a promotion is approved and goes active, something interesting happens. If the promotion template has the transfer relevant flag set to true, Salesforce automatically creates a record in retail execution. Field representatives who visit stores can now see this promotion on their mobile app. They check, is the product displayed correctly? Is the price point matching the agreement? Is the in-store display up? All that compliance data flows back into Salesforce, and it feeds directly into post-event analysis later. So the promotion that started as a cloud promotion C record is now driving real-world activity at the store shelf level. That end-to-end connection is what makes CG Cloud so powerful. Alright, let's wrap up. Here are the key things to remember. KAMs own promotions, and work from the account plan as their central workspace. Always start from a promotion template. Never build a promotion from scratch. 6 stages. Draft, planned, in approval, approved, active, completed. Fund validation runs before approval submission. You cannot overspend your budget. Transfer relevant flag syncs approved promotions to retail execution for field teams. If this helped, hit like. It really helps the channel. Next up, episode 23. Trade budgets in CG Cloud, fixed funds, rate-based funds, and the accrual engine. See you tomorrow.